All right, sweet friends, today I'm making beginner-friendly rainbow cupcakes you can nail on your first try. 3 simple phases: mix, color, bake, and frost. Let's go. Step 1. Mix. I preheat to 350 degree Celsius or 175 degree Celsius. I whisk 1 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, I whisk 2 eggs, 1 to 2 cup milk, 2 cups softened unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Wet into dry, then mix until just smooth. No overmixing. I want that batter silky, not overworked. Quick tip: if the butter's still chilly, 10 seconds in the microwave softens it, not melts it. Batter's ready? Perfect. Step 2. Color. I divide the batter into 6 small bowls: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I use gel food coloring so the colors stay bold without thinning the batter. 2 to 3 drops to start, stir, then adjust. Liners go into a 12-cup muffin tin. For even layers, I do tiny spoonfuls, purple on the bottom, then blue, green, yellow, orange, and red on top. No stress about perfect lines. Swirls are pretty too. I tap the pan once to settle. Fill each liner about 2/3 full so they rise with a cute dome. Beginner tip: if layering feels fussy, marble it. Add 2 colors, swirl with a toothpick, then keep layering and swirling. Step 3. Bake and frost, into the oven for 18-20 minutes. I check at 17. A toothpick should come out clean or with a few crumbs. Let them cool in the pan 5 minutes, then onto a rack until completely cool. Frosting melts on warm cupcakes, so patience. While they cool, I whip an easy vanilla buttercream, 1 cup softened butter, 3 cups powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Beat until fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Time to dress them up. I pop the frosting into a piping bag with a star tip and swirl from the outside in. No piping bag? Zip top bag, corner snipped. Sprinkle magic on top. Rainbow sprinkles, edible glitter, or even a sour rainbow strip. Taste test. Soft crumb, vanilla kissed, and every bite a party of color. They're perfect for birthdays, class treats, or that it's Thursday and I deserve joy moment. Troubleshooting quickies. Cupcakes sinking? That's often over mixing or opening the oven early. Keep the door closed for the first 15 minutes. Pale colors? Add a touch more gel. Dry cupcakes? Bake a minute less next round and measure flour with the spoon and level method. Make ahead, bake, cool, and freeze unfrosted up to a month. Thaw, then frost fresh. Frosting holds in the fridge 5 days. Re-whip before using. That's it. 1, 2, 3 rainbow cupcakes, beginner-proof and celebration ready. If you bake along, drop your favorite color combo in the comments, and I'll try it next time. Happy baking!